Hey guys, new video here, and in this one we are going to improve the welcome email sequence for one of the brands that are selling the vans for outdoor enthusiasts. So in this video I'll be walking you through the improvements we have made for their first email or the welcome email sequence, which is arguably the most important email across all your Klaviyo flows. So this is going to be super important, and in this video you will find some advices that you can apply on your welcome email so that you can improve the revenue for this flow. So they have the lead magnet that says subscribe and save over $100 on their first order, and when you subscribe you receive this email, which is actually 5% off. So first of all, I think their lead magnet is quite good. I like how it's straightforward, it's fairly easy to read, to consume this information and enter your information, and for that reason this is really good. The only thing I would do here is to change the subscribe button. I would change it to save $100 or get my coupon code or something like that instead of subscribe. But apart from that, I think this pop-up is very good. So let's get to the welcome email. So this on the left side is the before, and on the right side is the after our improvement. So the first thing we have added here is the headline. Headline is super important on your emails. It grabs attention and makes people read more. So therefore, if more people read your email, you will have a higher CTR, and therefore you will pull more revenue from this email. So super important. That's the first thing. The second thing that we have added here is the big image, and it's not only about adding any image. You should add the image that's relatable to your audience. So in this example, we have put the image that helps their customer connect with them is the outdoor enthusiast. We have the van on the left side. So this really helps their visitors connect with the brand, so they know that this brand is relevant for them. That's the second thing. The third thing that we have added here, which is in my opinion the most important thing, is the big button on the left side of the email. You can see they don't have a button on their email, and that's a huge mistake. It's a mistake because you can have the best email copywriting, images and everything, but if you don't have a clear button that should incentivize on the next step, nothing will matter. And it's the same as you would have the product page without the add to cart. Nothing really matters. Your offer, your images, your product description, nothing really matters if you don't point out the next clear step that they should take. And in this case, this is the shop now button that we have added. The fourth thing that we have added here is the social proof right below the add to cart. You can see we don't add this on every email or any campaign. This is usually added on emails for people that have never bought. Why? It's because social proof works very well for people that are on the fence to buy, and this is called CTA anchoring, and that way we are empowering our most important button here, which is shop now. And for people that are on the fence to buy, this gives that extra push and convinces them to place their first order. So super important thing for people that are on the fence to buy. The fourth thing that we have added here that was lacking on the before email is a bit more about the brand introduction. So we have added the brand introduction here, and this is important for welcome email sequence because people that opt into your welcome email sequence are not familiar with your brand. You have to tell them a bit about it so they connect with it, so they get familiar with it, and ultimately they place the first order with you. So super important thing. That's the whole point of welcome email sequence, so this will also help. So the next thing that we have added here that was lacking again on the previous email is shop now button. You can see they have recommended some products here, which is good idea to do on the first email of the welcome email sequence. But the thing is that they don't have a clear button. There will be a percentage of people who will not know what they should do with this email. Of course, some people are aware that if they click on the image, they will be redirected to the website, but there's always a percent of people that don't know about these things. So you need to have a very clear button here that will help them understand how they can go to your product page and place the order. So that's what we have added here. Below every product, we have added the shop now. Now you might notice that we have lifestyle images here. This is thing to be tested if the lifestyle image will work better than the product image. So this is where the A/B testing plays a significant role. So you want to test if lifestyle images converts better than the product images on your email. So this is to be tested. So yeah. And the final thing that we have added here is on the bottom of their email that was again lacking on their previous email is the value proposition. This increases the trust of this brand. So you can see this is again to be tested, but these are 3 value propositions that we have initially put here. It helps your visitors understand your offer, and it's always a good idea to have this on your email so that they know that there's a 30-day refund policy, that they have the payment flexibility. For example, they can pay in installments and stuff, and that this brand is US based least there's a percentage of people that find this information important. So for that reason, you always want to state your value proposition on the bottom, and that way you make your offer more clear and you gain more trust, and therefore you make more people buy from you. So that's it for this video. The biggest thing here is having the CTA button, which is always above default, because there's a percentage of people that won't scroll your email and you want to make it visible as soon as they land on your email so they know what is the next step. Once again, that's it for this video, and if you'd like us to improve your email marketing, your conversion rate and your meta ads performance, reach out to me in the link below so you can check out our offer and so we can get started with the process of improving your e-commerce business. Like and subscribe if you'd like more videos like this, and see you in the next one.